My mission with the Mortgage Report is simple: to save you money. I'm here to provide weekly insight into the market so you can make the best buying decision. I want you to know where interest rates are headed, and I promise to let you know my lock or float position. The Mortgage Report starts now. Hey, what's up, Bob Mortgage Nation? This is the 73rd episode of the Mortgage Report. That's right, 73 weeks of delivering to you market-related news that's impacting interest rates. Now, this is a weekly video, and as I said, every week you need to go follow me on Instagram. Go to instagram.com/BobMortgage, because while this is weekly, Instagram's going to give you some daily nuggets within the stories as it is moving the market. So if I'm giving you let's say a float position, but something for the week and something is changing that day that's making me convert from a floating to a locking position, you're going to find it on Instagram. So please go follow me there. All right, let's take a look at what's happening in the markets right now. Okay, so Mortgage Bankers Association came out and said, guess what, guys? Refinance applications are down. Well, no joke. I mean, interest rates have been going up, so we see that refinance applications have been down for some time. But they did say we continue to see home purchase applications up, and we're up 4.3% year over year. So that's just telling us this market is really resistant. Even in an interest rate increasing environment, we're still seeing more and more people make applications for home purchases. So good job out there, guys. But let's take a look at some of the charts now. If you see, the bond markets, okay, bond markets, as bonds go up, interest rates go down, and as interest rates go down, bond prices are up. So if you see what we're looking at right here, you have bond prices going down. Okay, it's an inverse relationship, and they've been going down starting in January of 2017. We hit a mark here in January of 2018, and they've continued to slide down, and that's what we've been seeing as the bond markets have been sliding down. Interest rates have been going up. But what's been altered to that is stock market prices, right? Stock markets have been going up, right? And that's why we started to see a lot with our bond markets going down. Now, if you look here, we started trading on May 16, 2018. We got a bump on a floor of support at 100.797, that number right there, and it pushed us up. Now, a lot of what's happening there, guys, was market-related news that was not necessarily positive for stock markets, right? So money flew out of the stock market, came into the bond market, and that's what drove bond prices up, and then that's what had interest rates come down. Now, if we go back to the charts here, you started to see right now we're trading in that underneath the ceiling of resistance of that 101.266. We have a good room to fall here to that next ceiling that we've only seen one time in the last 2 years. We've only seen that floor one time in the last 2 years, and it's going to take some type of market news that's going to pull money out of stocks and put them into bonds to get to get some type of relief and have that happen. I'm not really excited about some type of market-related news that's going to push it that way, but it definitely could. We had CPI numbers come out last week at 0.2% of an increase. Market was expecting 0.3%, so that kind of gave us a good little bump up on Friday. But we're still really pressed up against that tough ceiling of resistance. So right now, bottom line, I'm going into this week kind of in a locking position still. So if I have people coming in with contracts closing the next 15 days, 20 days, I'm really advising them to take a position of locking, and the ones that are sitting out there that may want to float if they're in a 30, 45, 60 day type closing situation, if they're coming in from a build job, then we have a little bit of time to watch the markets. But that's why you need to follow me on a weekly basis, and then also follow me on Instagram on a daily basis, because I'm going to be converting quite a bit, because the bond market is just like the stock market. They do move on a daily basis. Look, I've been a mortgage advisor for over 20 years, been blessed to provide financing to over 25,000 families during that time period. I watch the markets daily to make sure that I could get you the right home loan at the right price. If you're looking for the right home loan, give me a call. With Bob Mortgage, your dream loan is already within your reach.